record, I would love to record this session now. I hope you all must be ready for that. Okay.
I love that it like there's a message popping out. I never had that.
Oh
Like
God. Okay. No, that's great. That's amazing. So let us begin this amazing session with you guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone to this amazing and thrilling session wherein we have some wonderful people representing one of the finest LTDs to the in front of the LTDs community, in front of the LTD users. We do have Belen and Dariel with us from the Woxo team, who will be telling some great things to us regarding their LTD to the LTD community. And we all are super thrilled and excited to hear some great things from you guys. Over to you. Just please introduce yourself.
thank you, Anupam. Thank you for the opportunity of being here. I actually think you got also a preview, no preview, an exclusive, because I think Daryl just got his haircut. So you also have that bonus. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. In case you haven't heard, Woxo is a platform that allows you to create multiple, like bulk videos, really fast, and lets you combine. We're having integrations with Google Sheets, so you can also like let your team work with you. It's just a bunch of really cool stuff for social media, so we can take it to the next level. We also have widgets to help you connect like and display your feed on your pages. So it's a lot. I'm just gonna show it to you later. That's why I'm excited.
Okay. Yeah.
So I don't know. Sorry if my picture got frozen.
No worries at all. Actually, I was just about to tell you. I thought no worries. It may be some connectivity issues. No problem at all. Yep. Just yes. So we would definitely love to hear the introduction about the tool, how Voxo came in front of the people. People are just very excited about it. They are loving the tool a lot. We would definitely love to hear something from you about the tool, that what the tool is all about. Yep.
Sure. So basically, Woxo, the idea behind Woxo was to make, Daryl and Albert are the founders, and I actually joined from almost the very beginning. And the idea behind everything was to make technology available for everyone. So that led us to the widgets. So if anyone's not familiar with widgets, it's basically a way where you don't need to code. You don't need to learn how to code. So a lot of non-tech people like me can actually just copy paste something. For me, something is actually a very complicated code or simple. To be honest, I'm not fully sure, but it seems quite complicated.
Exactly.
And you paste it. Yeah, right. For people like who want to make something cool and want to improve their SEO. For example, I'm a marketer, so I really love these things that really help keep people on the side and on the side and keep them in there, so your SEO will boost. And I don't need to be a programmer at all. So it's all accessible. You just copy it on the page, and there you got a lovely feed ready for millions to see it. And we offer actually unlimited websites and web views. So it's not like we limit you. Actually, if you grow, like it's not that we're gonna catch you, because we know that some sites like you can reach a certain level and that's it. No, in this case, it's okay. Like we want people to really see the value and really grow. So it's really about this accessibility to everyone.
Really.
But once we got the widgets, we said like, okay, we are displaying feeds, but actually it was Dariel's idea. We were like, what if the people using these
I stole the idea. Stole the idea.
No, not really. what if the people using this? Sorry, yeah. As you can see, we're a really serious team. Like, we don't make any jokes.
Our teammates, it's really to have fun in between of the session so that the audience also doesn't get bored that, oh, we are just listening everything. We have a wonderful team, guys. Yeah, I'm really very happy to have them.
We really always try to lighten up the mood. So yeah, sorry if it's sometimes a bit too much for you, but it's just to keep you entertained. You know, it's like
Exactly. Yeah.
so actually, like, yeah. So we're wondering, like, what if people don't have things to display on their widgets? So that's how the video creator actually was born. And we were just exploring social media, and it was that time when reels really exploded, so everyone was creating a million videos per day and everything, and we thought, like, who has the time, who really has the time to create all those videos? And then we thought, like, what if we can optimize the process? So that's actually how it ended, being one super easy to use video editor where you can bulk create videos, you can integrate with different platforms, so you can, like, speed up the process. And yeah, I think basically that's in general all. I don't know if I'm missing something, Daryl.
Really
No,
good.
yeah, it's like almost that. We are excited not for what Woxo offers now, but also about what Woxo is gonna offer in the next 3 to 6 months. I don't know if you have taken a look at the roadmap, but it's pumped, like, from it's full of, like, I mean, like, data integrations into the videos, OpenAI, GPT-3, a lot of things, lot of, because what we want is that, like, just speed up the process of video creation, because now even the fancy editors, like, I mean, the key players in the industry, you can just create one video, and that's slow. You need, like, almost 30 videos. The month have 30 videos. The year have 365 days, and people can just create one. Like, there are some, like, tools that give you, like, it's really easy process, like with AI and stuff like that, but you're still having one video. And come on, like, maybe you have a database of products, you have a spreadsheet with data. What about that? It's sad. Yesterday we were, like, talking about the new feature that is secret. It's a secret thing, and we were talking about that. Like, we have a lot of data. You guys have a lot of content, but sometimes it's sitting there in a website that nobody sees, in a database, in a spreadsheet, and we want to take all that information and put it, like, in front, and help you to put it in front of a lot of users, like using videos. And yeah, and we are excited.
Really, guys, really. The one thing which I really love is people do have a lot of content, as you said. That's a very true thing. Nowadays, people have a lot of stuff to do, a lot of things to do in a day. What they want to save is that time, because time is a very precious thing nowadays. People want to do many things. And the best part is that if you are able to save your time in any way, people definitely try to go for it because everyone wants that. So, yep, I am completely agree with you in this that yes, if a tool is able to save the time, that's the amazing thing and amazing feature which it can have for sure. Yep. So yeah,
Awesome.
we are
Yeah.
really, yeah, we are, we
Yeah,
are
later on, later on, I can tell you my story. Like, I start, no, later on. Okay. My story with time and video creation. Like, it's a
okay.
funny one.
Really? So
Okay.
we would definitely love to hear that how you started your journey, how the tool was designed, and how everything just went. Because creating Voxer would never have been easier, and a day's time. It would have taken a lot of time, a lot of things, a blend of multiple features and all, and then it must have come in front of the people. So definitely we would love to hear something that how you started your journey in this. Yeah.
Awesome.
Your turn to shine.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, the thing was like at the beginning of like, and this is a like a side story, right? So at the beginning of this year, one of my New Year's resolutions was I'm gonna post a video every day in my LinkedIn, like because we were like into LinkedIn because we have other enterprise clients and they use LinkedIn more than Facebook. So we were there, and I started January 1, like first video. I was super excited. I just like talk about the roadmap and stuff like that. Cool. Day 2. Eh, okay. I have to post a video again, and the level of excitement was like, and in day 4, I quit. That's it. No more videos because it
Yeah, yeah.
takes a lot of time. Like it's crazy. It's crazy. But at the same time, it's super useful to be in front of your audience, like in a constant way, because people used to like get familiar with your brand, with your agency, with the things that you have to say to the world. But it's hard, takes some time.
Really, really. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, really amazing. With good things, some of the very good things we heard of you, because we are always eager to know that how a tool came into existence. Because developing a tool is never that mistake, just a single day time. It takes a lot of time. A lot of things come in my mind. A lot of challenges
Look at
equally.
this. Look at this. Look at this. You
I
see?
can I can really see that, Dariel. Yeah, exactly. What have
Sometimes with that.
I wasn't like that, like
your
6 months
your
ago, I was a very younger guy, full of energy.
got
I
it.
still
Really,
have
your eyes are giving a great evidence that how much effort did you have put it on. Yeah, really.
it's
Yeah,
crazy.
we are able
Please,
to see that.
dear Woxians, yeah,
Yeah,
dear Woxians, and I'm asked to Daryl.
yeah, please, please.
Exactly, exactly, Darius. Really, really great to have.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah,
yeah, the thing about the video maker, and I mean like we just read an article in Google like saying that they were developing a technology to like create videos from articles, from like HTML pages and that stuff, and that occurred to us like, so why don't finding a way to translate all the content, all the data that we have in HTML format, um, or in print format? Why don't creating a tool that helps people to put it in video format? Like, is if you go to like 84 years ago, Walt Disney did the same with Snow White. Snow White was an amazing story that was in books. Then like videos came in with movies, and Walt Disney said, "Hey, how can I like help this story be in front of more people with this new video and awesome format?" And he did that, and that's what we want to do, like giving you tool to help you put your content in video format. That's it. And after that, a million of white friends. We have a video about that, like just scrolling a balsamic with endless like pages of iterations. Like at the beginning, it was on a table, then we didn't then have like the preview. It was crazy. And we put some Google ads, we sent people, and people got loose. Like, hey, what about that? Like creating videos from a spreadsheet? What? It's crazy. And then people close it, and we keep improving. Yeah, because that at the core of our team is like the desire to improve, like to
really,
improve every day, to make the people like the tool better every day. And that's what we said, that we love feedback. Like even the how do we say, like
The
the
good, the
good, the
bad, and the
bad, and the ugly. Yeah, everything. Just give us everything, all your feedback. It doesn't matter if it's the worst feedback possible. Actually, that one makes us grow.
really, really. Very
Yes,
true
as
and
long as it's
exactly.
respectful, it's always welcomed.
Yeah.
Yes, really. And really, as you said, the real betterment is very important. Whenever we design a tool, if we do not improve it every day, if we do not keep it updated as per the requirements and need of the people, it's really get very hard to have a basic attachment with the people that why they must be using that. So yeah, as you told that when we improve the tool every day, it definitely have a touch with the people so that they do use it in a day-to-day basis. So yep, I would completely agree with you on that. Yeah.
So
So any challenges, Bill? Any challenges, Daniel? Anything in your journey which you might have felt, or any specific challenge, any specific hurdle in your way while developing the tool and keeping it in the format in which it is at present?
Where to start? I think all, how do you say, all good creations have a challenge. Like it can be everyday challenges as to where, but this is because we, as Dario told before, like we're always listening to feedback. So it's a constant challenge just to create a better video editor or some specifications related to the widget, like all, like as we said, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And sometimes it's the challenging because sometimes the user thinks like, oh no, this is super easy. And I, as a marketer, I say like, yeah, sure, we'll add it to the roadmap. It's not so complicated. And then the tech team comes and it's like, okay, marketing team, I'll have to stop you there because it's not so easy to, I don't know, X thing. So there's some challenges in there, but it's actually what makes creating a tool so, I don't know, so valuable and so exciting at the time because things are always changing. And, you know, it's that level of, I don't want to say discomfort, but you know, when you're challenging yourself to do better,
Really,
so
better.
yeah, it's just
Yeah.
like that bit of discomfort that makes you move.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, it's that. But we also had like, so we had as a marketing team a lot of those that actually helped us progress. So it was basically tricky to combine the widgets and the videos and make them into one product, and having the whole world having to understand that it's just like, oh, are they different things? Like, is Woxo for this or for this? It's like, no, it's for both of them.
So good.
So
Yeah.
yeah. So all of those things, yeah, they have helped us reach where we are currently.
yeah,
Really.
another interesting challenge. Uh, yeah, I have like a lot of challenges, but I'm
Okay.
just
Yeah.
thinking about
Really.
the
Yeah.
more tricky one. That yeah, we have the internal model that we follow Steve on that, like Steve Jobs. I'm talking about the Steve. He said like good as artist copy, right? So and we try to do that. Like we don't want to reinvent the wheel. Like every time that we have to do a new interface or anything, we go there, we grab the interface from the most like sophisticated tool, and we put our arm, and that's it, and it works. And but with the video editor, we didn't find a bulk video editor, so we have to yeah, we don't have something to copy. We have to basically invent like a way to like how
From
can
zero.
we allow people like bulk create videos and have the preview there. It's crazy, and was like it's actually super challenging because like people get loose, they see a table, then they see, because if you go to a classic video editor, you will see like the just a preview here, then you have the timeline, that's it. But in Woxo you have a weird table at the
Mm.
left.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, that part, like, because it's not about like hard work, because like in coding and stuff is just you work as a dog and you will get it. But that part, that takes like creativity and then like asking for feedback to users, then put it back, then code. It was super challenging, super challenging. Like
Really,
go
guys.
to an interface that can help people to both create videos.
Really, really. As you also told, I have also experienced it personally that video making and video industry is a very challenging industry in itself because changes happens every day. And when you are about to create something which is totally innovative, which has not been there in the market in the past, you have combined the widgets with the video making, which is a very new experiment or a game in its own. So I can understand that yes, it might not have been easy, and it would have taken a lot of time and energy, and then the entire team's hard work would have come in the form of a fruit of work. So yeah, so definitely great job and very well done, team. Yeah, I have also seen the product. I've also gone through the sales page, and a lot of good stuff is written about it. I would really that means expect the our audience to just have a look over it. It's super amazing. So yep,
Great.
yeah, yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a
So
pleasure to have all these lovely users. So yeah, thank you everyone.
no, really, you guys really deserve this as you have really developed a very great tool in its own. Yes, so I just wanted to ask you, team, that how it solved the that means the problem, how the tool is effective. Would you like to share something about something new about the tool, something that means how it was designed and in all how is it effective? So, would you like to talk something about that, if you wish?
Yeah, as to solve the problem, the issue, well, as we've been talking for, is basically time saving. So we actually had quite a bit of research, and we said, well, as you know, we started with the widget. So we said, like, okay, content creation is key nowadays, but content creation also takes a lot of time. So this is the problem we wanted to tackle. And for that, we created the video editor because we saw that video was actually one of the most engaging formats that there is. But as you know, like creating videos takes a lot of time. That's why people don't use videos and they use a lot of images and text. Why? Because it takes time. And
Really,
we know
really.
time is money, but really, like in this case, really is. And we wanted to combine all this. That's why we created the video editor, but not just for one video, but to make multiple videos. We don't, I mean, multiple, it can go from here to there depending the person. But if you want to create a lot, for example, I want to create one video for Facebook, one video for, I don't know, YouTube or Twitter, and one video for Instagram. I'll have to resize them, make them look different, and I'll have to go one by one for,
Very
I mean, all my networks. So it's challenging. Or for example, I want to do some A/B testing. It's going to take me a lot of time if I had to do it like one by one. And as Daryl said, like there's a lot of informations in databases. I can do some scraping. I can do this and that. But it all takes time if you do it one by one and you have no connection between the information and the video on itself. So that's why we wanted to create Woxo to solve this issue and to really save time, but at the same time creating amazing results. So it's like time saver and not lacking on resources and creating a beautiful outcome.
very good. Great. Really good to hear such things from you. Well, from Dariel as well as you. Now, our audience must be very eager to see the live demo of the product as it's a very great thing. People, when they see anything, the live demonstration, they actually are able to visualize it, that how is it working, how everything is happening actually. So yes, if you could give a live demo of the product, that would be awesome for us.
Let's go. Oh, I'll just have to ask you to allow me to share my screen.
Sure,
Sorry,
sure.
I forgot about that part before.
Yep.
So yeah, are you guys ready? We're gonna go now.
Yeah, we are thrilled.
Let me find the tab. I don't know if about you guys, but I always keep like multiple tabs open. So that's the one I was looking for. So welcome to Woxo. As I was telling you guys about it, well, this is the main dashboard. So it's the reception area where you have our loving widgets, loving videos. So you have different templates, but I'm gonna show you a bunch more. And you also have the widgets. So as I was telling you about, this is a combination between videos and widgets. It's Woxo is all about social media, so you can really take your content to another level and not wasting, I don't know, a year in the meantime. So you can really keep up to date and create multiple videos at this time. So, sorry, I have my, if I'm looking sometimes in here, I have my cheat sheet. So, yes, that's the secret. Basically, what I wanted to show you guys about, I love pets. Yes, if you go to the About Us sections, there's actually a team mascot for the team. I love pets. So let's create, as you can see here, there are multiple templates, but I'm just gonna go with the pet section. And we're gonna create some videos for a pet shop. So let's say we're a pet shop, you know, those big local ones where you can either adopt, you have social media, you have a lot of things. So I think there was one. Okay, here we have some new things if you want to like meet your new pet or something like that. I'm just gonna select this one. You can either select template or all of them. So you have here adoptable pets. Maybe the pet shop has like a day where you can just go. I don't know if it happens there, but here I live in Buenos Aires, and we have days where the pet shops will take some adoptable pets to the, how do you say? I say plaza, but that's not the word. It's like park. So maybe they have one of those days and they want to promote it. Celebrities with their pets. This is just like, I'm gonna go with all of them because it's viral for TikTok. I'm just gonna jump in there and add another cute pet. Now you have all your videos like the templates created. And as you can see, it's a 3-step process. So basically you select these templates that I show you, like you can do it individually or just like click the whole section, and you have a search bar. So, and I showed you a bunch of templates, like sections. So you have from e-commerce to memes to educational videos. Once you're happy with the templates you have selected, just click and go to new project. This is gonna take us to the second area, meaning the editor. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of these. Yeah, you can just either edit from here. So when you edit from here, you have the media. And in the media, you can see that we have an integrated library. This is Pexels, so it offers videos as well as images. There's a trick, that's why I'm not showing you everything here, but they're copyright free and you can use them freely for your videos, so you don't have to worry. Let's say, I don't have an exact photograph or an exact video if I want to display. Don't worry, just type on the keyword here and you'll find it. If you want to use your things, we have also my uploads. It's also on the dashboard, you can find it as well, but you can add some images from your computer. You can connect, as you can see, for the veteran Woxians here. This is from Instagram, so you can connect, like from Instagram, you can connect from Facebook, different things. Super useful. You have like images and videos, but you can also, from the dashboard, upload more things. So yeah, you can change it from here. But what you can also do, and you can change, the copy in here, like just some basic editing stuff. You can add more scenes, delete scenes, copy them, and customize the scene length. A bunch of you were asking, this was actually a feature that comes directly from the users. So thank you there.
Great, great.
Yeah, this was one of the challenging ones.
Yeah.
And what you can also do is just go in here, and we have a bunch of integrations. So you can copy the table. I'm just going to copy the table. And in here, I open a spreadsheet. This is one of my favorite features, so that's why I was anxious to tell you guys about. I actually copied, I think there was the adoptable ones, but let us copy the rest of the string. I'm just going to delete this because I already have like a bunch of these things. So you can copy the table. This one was the adoptable ones. And as you can see, I can customize everything from spreadsheets. This means I can customize in real time.
Well, sorry, do you want me to help you? Send me the link. Like
I was just gonna,
okay.
I was just
Let's
gonna
collaborate real time. Okay.
So let's say I want to use some teamwork, just like anyone change, sorry. Let's say I want to work with Daryl.
Okay.
So,
Great, great.
okay, there we go. I just send the link. So, you know, it's just like sharing a spreadsheet.
Yeah, yeah.
So you're seeing yourselves like moving from here to there. Let's keep you guys there.
That's very interesting, guys. Really. Yeah. When you can share something, you can ask for the help. Great feature. Yeah. Even I wasn't aware about that. Yeah.
Exactly. Like you have the whole advanced table in here. And let's say, whoops, I like, here's Daryl. So hi, Belle. I can say like, hi, Daryl. Can you help me in here? Let's say I'm not, of course, seeing Daryl. So what would we do in case like we want to change this thing? So I can ask, oh, my copy sucks. And what should I do? Let's say like, oh, you can do better. And let's say what Daryl has to say to that. Thank you. Now, you know, it's magic. It's magic.
Really. Yeah, exactly, guys. Really. Very
But
true.
really, like you can change and customize these things. I'm just gonna you don't have to. This is not gonna create amazing videos, so I'm just gonna take it off.
Okay.
But what I can show you is a cool trick that we also added. Remember when I was saying you don't have to worry about the photos or videos? Like imagine it's a pet shop and they don't have pictures of dogs. They must have, but they don't have in the moment. So what can they do? If they want a video, they can just add the keyword. I love this because you can actually, it's so easy to use. There we go. So you just add the keyword and video, or if you want an image, just like, or let's say, I don't know, cat. For all the cat lovers out there, don't hate me. We love cats and dogs. So there we go. This is gonna be an image, and this is gonna be a video. You don't have to be worrying. You can just paste the URL here. Oops, sorry. So you can see this is like a URL that I'm using for videos and images, but I can just copy there. I can even use the translate feature. I believe it was translate. Whoops. It was like this, right? Translate.
See.
I don't remember, but I think it was like this. And then we used to say like from English to Spanish. Let me see if this works. But you can create in multiple videos. Oh, it wasn't like that. Well.
Google Translate, Belle.
Google Translate. I know it was like something like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Like.
Yeah, please. Okay. Thank you. So you can even translate your
collaboration. Think collaboration. Real time.
Very good, guys.
Useful.
Too good.
So you're translating, for example, this cell, you want to be international. So you're creating like this from English to Spanish. I know I speak Spanish, like you can tell I have an accent. So Oh, sorry, no, I did. This doesn't go here.
That a
There
new
we go.
language like PS2?
And there we go. You have like, let me show you in here. There's a whole, like, you have the same video, but in other language. So you can repurpose your video for another, for example, you're in Canada and you have some customers on Quebec and some other customers in like Toronto where they don't speak so much English.
So much
I don't speak so much French, sorry. So you want to create something for both of them. Voila! Like you don't even have to worry about it. It's just like, yeah, super useful. So once we have all this, we just need to copy, like Control-C, and go back to this page, as you see the table. Of course, if you want, you can just edit in here and change the things in here. I just love Google Sheets because for me,
Really love it. The trick about Google Translate, awesome. Yeah.
and the team collaboration. The team collaboration is
Cool.
like high five.
Woo! And we should do the one with the auto feature. Do you know how to do that one? The auto?
The auto.
Yeah, that's a new one. It's like, okay, no worries.
So we're keeping it real here. Connectivity issues and all.
Yeah.
Oh, the last one you mentioned, I don't remember. But I'm just gonna quickly integrate this to show you guys. Oh, you wanna show it first, Ariel?
No. Go ahead. We will do it at the very end because it was released last week, I think.
That's why it's not on my radar yet. So as I was telling you guys about, you just need to copy this URL. So just like copy, then you go to the editor, you go to integrations, and you can see that you can also use CSV. In my case, it's gonna be Google Sheets because I told you I love it. So I'm just gonna paste it here and click on pull. Now is the part where I cross my fingers for everything to go right. No, just joking. I'm just gonna give access to it, and then it's gonna redirect us. There we go, and take us back to the Woxo editor. So it's gonna just load in here and tell me how many videos I have. So in this case, I have 13, including the translating ones. And I think, I don't remember. I was gonna show you the size. Like you can easily change the video dimensions. But for now, let's import these videos. There's like many things you can do. Just like go on playing there. If you have any tricks, any issues, you can just email Daryl directly. I'm just gonna leave his mail because he's not stressed enough. No, I'm just kidding. So there we go. You can see all the videos in here. And as you can see, I just typed the dog video and we have, whoops, I'm just gonna move us here. I just have a dog video in here. So look at this cute dog. Yes. And for the cat lovers, let me just like show you in here. This one was a translated thing. Oh, I think I have the text like way too small for these videos.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't realize that. But we have the cat picture in here. There we go. Loving these videos. So what we're gonna do is just like with all those videos, I told you about the bulk feature. So we're just gonna export them and just gonna build these videos. Trust me, it's not gonna take that long, so we can just chat in the meantime. This is the board where I tell bad jokes. If someone has reached on support, you know I'm a fan of bad jokes. I'm trying to find one that it hasn't been told before. But my favorite one keeps being like, how does the ocean says hi to the beach? You need to say like how.
People must be wondering how will it look like. They must have been wondering, what's gonna come out of the box. Yeah.
Oh.
I see. And
There we go.
you see, 46 seconds for 13
So
videos. Like that's
yeah,
wow.
so you have content for like 2 weeks, and it's just in there, like different videos. Like for example, this one that meet. Like I think this one was the one we translated. Oh, this one's celebrities, their pets. Sorry, I know I'm just a gossip girl, but look at this. It's just like so cute, and we have different dogs, so this can be used for TikTok since it has like quite a viral content, and we just created it in a few seconds.
Yep.
So for this, you can just, you have the download, like the bulk download here. You can also share. So, oops, I'm mixing the editor. I don't know if you can hear it, but it started, my computer suddenly went like zzz. Between the Zoom and this thing.
Mine too. Yeah.
I think it's the combination between the Zoom and everything.
Yeah.
So you can download them here. You can get a shareable link. So let me show you how it will look like. You just need to copy this link. We're gonna open it here. So what it basically does is create a page with all your videos. So there's downloading like the whole videos. I'm just gonna show them to you later. But this is like all these videos that, you know, like the ones I shared in here, but not just showing you, but you can share them with everyone. So really it's about collaboration. Maybe you want to share this with your customers. So there you go. You have like these amazing videos to either as well download them on or share them. So
we will add a CNAME, and we will have a CNAME soon, coming soon. CNAME to share it with your own domain. You know,
yeah.
Like, we don't have that feedback from a lot of users, and we are working on that. Like allowing you to use your own domain. You know, to sharing the files.
Yeah. It's like on a roadmap.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, so guys, yes, it was so easy. I would like to tell you. Even I say that I'm not so techy, even though I may not have that much technical knowledge, but it's so simple. I can simply, someone can tell me just once and I can just start creating my own videos. And yes, that would be really amazing for anyone who might be, who must have planned to come in this industry, who is already in this industry, doing really good, want to save us time. Yeah, Woxo is good for all of them. So really good, guys.
Show the content, like the dynamic content part. Just the toggle.
Yeah. So sorry, just last thing with because we have native videos and dynamic videos. Just the last thing you can do with the native videos is, I don't know if you're familiar with Zapier, but create a Zap, just create some action and just like have it in there. So you can, for example, save it to your Google Drive, post it somewhere, and we're having more integrations coming up.
Yeah, with Pabli. We are working in the Pabli one. No, well, just the dynamic toggle, content toggle there with the native.
So there we go. This is also like the dynamic video that Daryl was talking about. So we also have for each video. So as you can see, I have video 1, but if I want, I can go with video 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think until I reach like 13. So there we go. Like, I don't remember, it was like 13. I don't know. Yeah, well, let's stop at 10. So there we go. You have like different options to integrate. Sorry, I'm just moving this because it's always in the middle. So you have like different options, like you have the regular videos, you say. You also get a landing page. So you just copy the URL and you get your own landing page. So you have static and dynamic ways to show it. I'm just gonna show it to you before, but what I think is a cool feature is you have email shares. For example, you're creating a campaign with MailChimp. You can just copy the code and paste it in there in the campaign, and this like preview will open. I think that's like a really useful
Very
use
useful
case.
feature. Yeah.
You
You
also
have
have
thumbnails, GIF, a widget to embed the video into your website. It's
so
just like, yeah, it's not just about having a bunch of videos. It's also giving you the tool to share them with the world, you know.
Very nice.
exactly,
Really,
exactly.
really
So
great.
you have like a bunch of possibilities to using here. As Daryl was mentioning, like you can embed it to your website, share a preview, embed it to your emails. So yeah.
So you can just
Ah,
have yeah,
yeah.
exactly. So you can just have an overview of the video in just a few seconds that what the video is all about. People usually love this feature a lot. Even when I scroll down a lot of videos, for some of them I just go for a preview that how is it like, and if I like that, I click that. So yes, a very useful feature, guys. Yeah, we do use it in our day-to-day basis. Yeah.
Yes, videos are
Awesome.
super engaging. So if you add them, it's just like a pop of color. So yeah,
Okay.
yeah, honestly.
Great, guys. So, if you would like to add on something, or I just wanted to ask that you do have any future roadmap, any upcoming plans which you might be having for the coming days that
Have
will
a
be adding
lot of
on
things.
this.
We have a lot of things.
Ooh.
Great.
Wow.
That means amazing things are yet to come. A lot are in the pipeline. Yeah.
I send you well, like because we were curating our roadmap, like because the way we work is like we have a bunch of features that come from our internal product team, but we love the features that come from the users. So in this like in this campaign, LTD campaign that is ending like I think in September 9, right, Bill? Like this Thursday? No,
You got me here.
no. It's gonna be ending in September 14. We got a lot of feedback and we put it in the roadmap and we worked it last week, like at the end of that week. Yeah, just organizing a roadmap, putting deadlines, adding in which plans. Because you know there are some LTDs that they just promise things, then after they go out of AppSumo or any other marketplace, they they
Like bye
don't
bye.
they don't behave as they said with the LTD users. So that's why we want to put like everything in a roadmap, like very clear. This feature is gonna be in tier 2 or 3, and this feature is gonna be released on October, on November, on December. That's in that way you guys have more like clarity in what in is a good purchase for you or not. So I'll send you well the version of the roadmap that is let me it's
Yeah.
here, it's here, and you will see, you probably will see this URL is not public now. We have like the other roadmap which is not so like there, all things are there but there are not like there are not dates, or this one is like a curated version of that one. So let me send you the
The other
link.
one is where everyone just like can add ideas and everything, and we're creating like we're filtering all those ideas to oh, um to yeah. I'm just gonna copy the link to like organize ourselves on there because we've been adding quite a few things. Like if you were here when we started, the editor now has a bunch of new features that were like almost every feature we added was some feedback we took into consideration. So here we go. Here's like the internal roadmap. And we're like, we like to organize ourselves. So it's the request list, the exploring progress, and there we go. You have like dates where all these things will be ready, but it's so you can have an idea, you know. It's
Just open
amazing.
one, well, open the one with the filter like features, the number 3.
Oh, sorry. Let me just
That
filter
one.
like pictures.
Yeah, there you will see how many upvotes that feature got. You will see the estimated time, like the plans or tiers that are gonna be included. You also will have like a sneak peek of how the feature is gonna look like, the use cases and everything. So we want to be we as a company and as a team, we try to be super transparent, and we are just putting that transparency into a roadmap to be like very clear for everyone, and to don't make like false expectations or something like that. So if you have a doubt or something about the feature that you want to see in Woxo, I will say just go to a roadmap, check that out, see if that timeline like meet your expectations, and don't be like, trust our team. Like we're gonna do our very best to stick to the timelines and to stick to our work.
Really great,
Yeah, we
guys.
like to show you.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Sorry. Go ahead, Anupam. Sorry.
No. Well, I was just about to tell the guys that when we do have a concrete plan for our future, when we do have a roadmap, it's just a super awesome thing, I would say. Because when you do have a concrete plan, what you are gonna do, means what you are gonna do in the future, people do have an idea. They may show some great interest in that what they are gonna get in the coming days, and as well as it helps in super improvement of any tool and software. So really, team, very good thing. I highly appreciate it that you do have a plan. Yeah,
Awesome.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
we like the most like in my opinion, right? Because everyone has like their own like use cases, and but in my opinion, we are very excited about. We're gonna put a lot of beauties into the videos. We will add the sticky, GIF effects, text animations, all that. Because at the beginning we were focusing the bulk thing. Now I think we reached a point that we like kind of check that part of the ball creator, but now it's time to make the videos change, like adding all that stuff. And
Like
the
the
other part is, we are adding an API, like to you just like create a videos from an API. We are adding a public integration. We are adding a puller integration. We are also be like adding a GPT-3 integration this December. And there is a lot of features coming in. Just go to our roadmap, browse that, leave a comment, and we will be there to or join our Facebook group, and ask us everything. We are like, I as I said, like we we are like super transparent, like
very
with
good.
all of that. If we can't, we will tell you, hey, we can't, and we will explain our reasons. But we will do everything
Make
to
it better.
help you out, guys, with your use cases and to add in features to the product that will be helpful for you.
Really good. Great, guys. It was a super session. It was really a privilege to be with you people, to hear some great features which Voxo has got. I would really love to hear some concluding words which you would like to say to the LTD community, to the entire lifetime deal users, that how they can use that, and anything which you would like to share with them. Any good thing, anything.
Well, to be honest, I always like to say thank you to the community. Thank you for the opportunity of being here and for all the welcoming vibes. Thank you very much. As Daryl said, don't be afraid to reach out, like for support. We have a Facebook group. We have, well, this Notion with all the information. So don't be afraid. And you almost like we know each other. So because you've seen us, you can see me on social media. So don't be afraid to reach out. We love to hear feedback, and that has helped us grow in the past, and it's gonna keep on help us growing in the future. So just like a big thank you, and thank you for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you so much, guys. Really, thank you. Well, thank you, Dariel. It was a nice time. I wish you all the very best for your tool. May it rock among the people, among the community, and have a great day. Right? Thank you so much for this session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
Thank you,
Thank
Dariel. Thank you, Bella. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.